Here I am, Bruce. Mesh grow bags, July 26th, Sunday. Sunday, July 26th, 2020. There, I think that's why. Now, we got some rain here in North Englewood this week, and I can tell the pond is up. So I decided to come out here to my donor site, because I'm sure they got some heavy rain last week. I heard about it. Didn't get any at my house, but up here in Englewood, they got, oh, look at this. Look at these. Wow. Those are some nice, big, fat shoots coming up. Just that little bit of rain. There's some over here, but these are dead. But there's two right there. And this is, again, Bambusa Vulgaris. Let's go see if we can find some more. Yeah, no, here's where I usually just check. Yeah, the pond is still pretty far down. I mean, it has come up. It's up probably a good foot or more from what it was, but it's still down the bank there, like, man, probably 10 feet. So it could come way up. We've had a pretty good deficit of water this season. Man, this is really thick in here. Wow. They cut this a couple years ago. I don't see any new shoots there. I don't know if I want to go through all this to get out there. To tell you the truth, it's getting really bad. Wow, it is so thick in here. It's almost, man, there's, whoa, look at these. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's past my waist. It's got to be 3.5, almost 4 feet tall. Look at the diameter on that thing. Wow, I can't wait to have some like that. And of course, that'll finish out to be something like this. A little wider than my fist. That's a nice, that's one of the ones I left last year. This one back here. But that's brand new. Just that little bit of, oh, look at this down here. 2 more. These aren't even in my yard, and I'm excited. Now, this is right next to the holes where I cut mine out last year. I'm trying to figure out which one. This hole right here, this was my 22-footer. So right there, there's one coming up right next to it where I dug that out. And there's another one. I think that was my 10-footer there that I dug out. And so there, got one going there. See if we got anything else around here. Whoa, there's a 6-footer. Wow, look at this thing. It's going right into that tree. I might need to move. That's going to bend that one. Oh, wow. I should probably bring my chainsaw out here. There's a couple nice looking. That one there is from last. Those are like 4-inch diameter. Man, those are big. And that one's a pretty nice looking pole there too. It's not quite old enough. They need to get a little bit more gray looking. Of course, if they get too gray, you can't pump any preservative through there. But that one's burying right into that fallen tree there. I don't know if I can move that. I bet I could snap it right off. I bet I could do that, but then that's not going to do it. I got to try to crawl over all this stuff. This place is really... Of course, I'm just out here in my loafers. Ow. And my shorts. Whoa. Oh yeah, there ain't no moving that tree. Yeah, that might. Oh, there, I can get the branch out of the way. That might help. Now, this probably in the next couple days will almost grow past this here. Oops, sorry. Sorry for the terrible camera work. But yeah, that might push past that. It's going to be bent though. We'll see if we can find some more. Don't see anything here. Just that one. Man, I keep hearing some weird noise over here. Like just a weird knocking noise. Whoa, here's a couple. There's a couple nice ones. Squeaking and yeah, a little squeaking too. Cool noises bamboo makes. But yeah, there's a nice one too. 1, 2 there. Oops, dropped my hand spray. Oh man, I gotta be careful. I can't lose my mask out here. See a nice bed of new leaf. Looks like these dropped a lot of leaf. Maybe before or after that rain. Wow, these things are really creaking in. I think this big long one, no, not that one, the one on top of that way up there, laying across everything is rubbing on some stuff. Man, there are some nice looking poles in there. Whoa. Those are really hard to get. Whoa, I can see a big shoot back there about 7 feet tall. In the midst of those. Whoa. Yeah, right there's one. And that's right next to a couple nice ones. Those are going to be like impossible to get out of there. You'd have to climb up and cut the top of that off. Try to get a 12-foot section on the bottom, cut that off, and then somehow pry it out of there. Ow. That was right in the head. This sucks out here. I'm going to get out of here. And now there's this stand here, but these have always been a little smaller diameter than the others, and there's as you can see, there's an oak tree growing in the middle of them. There's a bunch of ferns in there, and then there's all this poison ivy around there too. So I don't think I see any new shoots over there, and I really don't want to go look. Alright, here I can kind of get there's that other stand with the oak tree. I don't know if you can see in there. Kind of dark, but yeah, that's kind of, oh wait, yeah, I think I do see one down there. Oh yeah, I can see the top in there. I don't know if we can get a shot of that, but yeah, right in that little, right in the center frame there. Oh yeah, let me block some of that glare off the lens. There's the top, and then I can see it going out. Still not in. Oh yeah, there's another one right next to it over there too. So there are two, but those are kind of hard to get to. We gotta get our boots and our long pants on and drudge down through the bank over here. Oop, let me zoom back out. We gotta get through all of this stuff down here. That's about 3 foot high. But I got this little shoot over here. This is probably about 2.5, maybe 2.25-ish. It might fill out a little bit fatter, and it's probably about 10 feet tall right now, maybe. And oh wait, there's one right there. Didn't even see that one. That one's about 4 foot tall too. So, and I have cut a lot of combs out of here. There's 1, 2, I think I got like 3 or 4 nice ones out of here before. You can see one over there. So this was a very productive spot. Good to get nice straight bamboo, pretty good size. Still not like those 4 inchers over there. Now this is a good spot here. And there's the, oh wait, there's one. Holy smokes, look at the size of that. That's out pretty far from the rest of the herd there. Almost didn't see it. But yeah, there's usually a few that come out here on the edge too, and there's the hole where I've cut things out from last year, and then it drops down over the bank. And yeah, I've got stuff from down the other side of the bank here and hauled them out of there, but it's a little harder to get to them. Whoa, there's one. Actually, this is one of the paths down to the, and of course it's lined with lots of poison ivy, more poison ivy down there. And there's a nice new comb. Well, let's see if we take a picture of that. I think I took a picture. There we go. Alright, I don't see too much more going on down there. And I got shorts on, not my long pants. Lots of poison ivy. Whoops, yep, I'm already in there. So the way to not get poison ivy is to not scratch it, rub it, or walk through much more of these weeds like this. And then you got to scrub that oil off like it was as if it were motor oil. Oh, look, butterfly. Man, it's kind of... tore up there. Watch it, buddy. Oh, right there's a hole. I know I dug something out of there before. I think that... Oh, here's another hole. I dug something out of there. Yeah, that's gonna... This one here is gonna grow right into that other one there. This one's from last year. That's a nice one. 3.5 or more. Yeah, those are a little past the harvesting or the collecting stage. See if I can see anything else growing over. No, not too much going down there. Oh man, this one was just going. Of course, when I turn the camera on, it stops. Here it goes. It's starting. Nature's music. Oh, where'd my base go? Oh shit. Alright, that's enough. Cut.